मनोरंजन जगत में हमने अब तक कई सारे सफल अभिनेता और अभिनेत्रियों को देखा है। कुछ ऐसे भी रहे हैं जिन्होंने सफलता की सारी ऊंचाइयों को छुआ है, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जो सफलता पाने के बाद अध्यात्म की राह पर अपने आप को लीन कर लेते हैं। वो आखिरकार इस मोह माया की दुनिया को त्याग देते हैं। कौन है वो अभिनेता और अभिनेत्री, चलिए इस वीडियो में देखते हैं। We all agree that religious things affects us to a great extent. According to religious scriptures, being non-materialistic is the best way to live a life. While most of the people have different opinion about living life in some way, people from the entertainment industry are exactly opposite of it. Clearly, many Bollywood celebrities live luxurious lives. This is the reason that it makes a headline every time when an actor or an actress decides to live a non-materialistic life. Here we have created a list of Bollywood celebrities who left the entertainment industry for spirituality. Sana Khan. Recently, Bollywood actress, model and dancer Sana Khan had said goodbye to the dazzling world of the industry, and now she has decided to serve humanity by walking in the path of God. Sana gave this information via her social media account and said that now she will follow the path of Islam and serve the people. She also mentioned that she got a lot of fame, respect and wealth in the entertainment industry, but now she will leave such a life and compete for humanity. Sana Khan is best known for her performance in celebrity reality show Bigg Boss. She has worked in many Bollywood films that include Bombay to Goa, Halla Bol, Jai Ho, Wajah Tum Ho and many more. Sana is not first Bollywood actress who have taken this step of serving humanity. Many famous actresses left acting to become sadhvi or nun. Mamta Kulkarni. Mamta Kulkarni used to be one of the most sought after Bollywood actresses in the 90s. For your information, she featured topless on the cover page of a famous entertainment magazine. She gave many hit films including Karan Arjun, Chupa Rustam, Sabse Bada Khiladi, Naseeb, Bazi, Tiranga and many more. Despite such a beautiful career, Mamta broke her ties with Bollywood and became a sadhvi. She gave the reason for leaving the entertainment industry in her autobiography titled Autobiography of a Yogini, which came out in the year 2013. She wrote, "Some people are born to work in the world, while some are born to serve God. I was also born to serve God." Zaira Wasim. In June 2019, Zaira Wasim suddenly decided to leave the film industry, which shocked everyone. With the film Secret Superstar, she was recognized as one of the best artists in her age category. Zaira has shown her acting skills in the movie Dangal and later on Secret Superstar. Both the movies were big hits. People started saying that a bigoted religious organization is behind this. But Zaira denied all the things and said that she is not finding happiness in this profession and it is hindering her from following her religion. Well, it would be good if she ever thought to make a comeback in the industry. In her words, "This field indeed brought a lot of love, support and applause my way, but what it all did was to lead me to a path of ignorance as I silently and unconsciously transitioned out of Iman. While I continue to work in an environment that consistently interferes with my Iman, my relationship with my religion was threatened." Anu Agarwal. Anu Agarwal became a sensation after the release of the 1990 film Aashiqui, which became a huge hit. Anu Agarwal became a sensation overnight. Unfortunately, Anu failed to maintain success by making poor choices in the scripts. She too left the film industry to make spirituality and yoga in her life. Sources revealed that she said goodbye to the film industry in the 1996 and started teaching yoga to poor children. People also believe that the actress went through a horrible car crash and found herself on a hospital bed. She was in coma for a month and had broken about a dozen bones. She stopped getting work after that accident. Sofia Hayat. Sofia Hayat recently came into the limelight after appealing to Sushant Singh Rajput's fans to boycott Bigg Boss. Although Sofia herself has also been a part of the Bigg Boss Season 7, Sofia was previously an actress and model who later became a nun. She did this because of the harassment in the relationship. She has changed her name from Sofia Hayat to Gaya Sofia Mother after embracing spirituality. She said, "I will lead a non-glamorous life. We are beautiful without makeup, hair color, fashion. We are perfect as we are. I am sorry I gave you the imperfection otherwise. I am changed. I love you all." After a couple of months, she shared using makeup and also promoted her film on social media. आपका इस वीडियो के बारे में क्या कहना है? लिख भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज़ और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें टेली चक्कर को।
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.